Hello students, we are learning chapter 9 force and laws of motion, and today we are going to learn about conservation of momentum. We already know what is momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity, and this is law of conservation of momentum, and this is video 9 of the chapter. It is asked in this form: state the law of conservation of momentum and prove it by deriving the formula. What is law of conservation of momentum? Let us see the statement. It is sum of momentum is plural of momentum, of the two objects before collision is equal to the sum of momenta after collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on them. Let us understand the law. Now suppose two objects A and B having mass ma and mb are moving on a straight line path with velocity ua, that is velocity of object A is ua and velocity of object B is ub, and here ua is greater than ub. It is moving with more speed than object B. This is the case before collision, before they collide. Now when the objects A and B are colliding, then object A is exerting force on B and B is also exerting force on A. So force exerted by A on B is FAB, that is action. Force exerted by B on A, that is FBA, that is called reaction. And after collision it is mass remains the same, and but the velocity of the object A changes to VA, that is the final velocity, and that of object B changes to VB. So we can explain the situation. Now the same diagram is also given on page number 123 of your textbook. These are the two objects moving on the straight line path with UA and UB before collision, and this is after. While collision, force is exerted by A on B and B on A, that is action and reaction. And after collision, this is the diagram, that is final momentum will be VA and VB. Then we can explain the situation. As I told you that you have to write in sentence. Suppose two objects A and B of masses MA and MB are traveling in the same direction along a straight line at the different velocities UA and UB respectively. These are the initial velocities before collision. There are no external unbalanced force acting on them. Let UA is greater than UB, that is object A is moving with greater speed than object B, and then the two objects collide with each other for time t. Force exerted by ball A on B is FAB, action, and force exerted by B on A is FBA, that is called reaction. So now the final velocities after collision will become VA and VB respectively for A and B. So we can write this: before collision, momentum of object A is PA, and momentum is the product of mass and velocity, so MA and UA, that is mass and initial velocity. Then momentum of object B, PB, is MB and UB, that is mass and initial velocity of B. And total initial momentum of both the objects is sum of the momentum MA UA plus MB UB, that is before collision. Then after collision, momentum of object A is PA dash. Momentum changes because the velocity changes. So it will be MA VA. Mass remains the same, velocity changes to VA, and momentum of object B, PB dash, is MB VB. So now the total final momentum, that is sum of the momentum of PA dash and PB dash, is MA VA and MB VB. You have to apply Newton's second law then. According to Newton's second law, we know force is equal to rate of change of momentum. Change of momentum. So we can write force exerted by A on B is PA dash minus PA upon T according to Newton's second law. Change of momentum means difference of momentum. Final momentum of A minus initial momentum of A. PA dash minus PA upon T. Now PA dash, already see I have written the formula. What is PA dash? MA VA, and then PA is MA UA. So in place of PA dash we will write MA VA minus MA UA upon T. Similarly, force exerted by B on A. So change in momentum of B is PB dash minus PB, that is final momentum of B minus initial momentum of B upon T. Final momentum is MB multiplied by final velocity VB minus MB multiplied by initial velocity UB upon T. So according to Newton's third law, we know that action and reaction are equal. FBA is equal to minus AB, but opposite means minus. So FBA is equal to minus FB. So place the value of FBA from this equation. This one you place here. Instead of FBA, we write MAVA minus MAUA upon T is equal to minus, place the value of FAB. This one is FAB. So it is MBVB minus MBUB upon T. Now open the bracket, T and T will get cancelled. So MAVA minus MAUA is equal to minus MBVB minus minus plus MBUB. So we get MAVA plus MBVB is equal to MBUB plus MAUA. But what is MAVA plus MBVB? See here, MAVA and MBVB is the total final momentum. And MAUA, MBUB is total initial momentum. So we can write sum of final momenta, that is total final momenta is equal to total initial momenta. And so by this formula the law is proved. According to this, the law was during interaction of two balls, total momentum before collision is equal to the total momentum after collision. This is the law. That's all for today. We'll be meeting with the sums of the law of conservation of momentum in the next video.